Hi, I am Leonardo Martinez. I am a professional technician in electronics, graduate from SENA, and I am studying system engineering. I have 8 years of experience as a technical technician and more than 12 years of technology area. I have worked as a support analyst level 2 in the National Planning Department. And regarding the question asked, I think my dream job would be to work with animals because although I am currently studying engineering systems, I really like the novelty of animals. And I think that as humans, we should take care of our nature. If I were a veterinarian, I would help when they do not pay me. Maybe for other people it's not important, but if we do not take care of nature, we don't where to live, because finally we need her, but she does need use. Thanks.